On a plot surrounded by tropical trees and a gentle valley breeze stands a serene yet lively house. It doesn't stand out with its elaborate form, but rather blends in with the serenity of its natural surroundings. From the outside, the house appears simple yet strong, as if it stands not to show off, but to become part of the landscape it inhabits. The main door of this house is not designed to stand out, but to invite. It sits between two rough-textured stone walls, with a simple, wide, and tall opening. There is no excessive ornamentation, only a play of proportions and materials that emphasize the boldness of its form. The door leaf is made of dark solid wood, warm, natural, and a contrast to the cool stone surfaces surrounding it. Its texture is soft to the touch, providing a sense of calm before one actually enters. The door handle is elongated vertically, not only as a functional element, but also as a subtle line that guides the body's movement as it opens. When the door is opened, what immediately appears is not the living room, but rather a small garden, a transitional space between the outside world and the life within. This is the first moment where the house begins to speak through atmosphere, not words. This small garden serves as the lungs of the house, a space that soothes the eyes and filters the air. It's not large, but it's meticulously landscaped. In the center, there's a ground area with low tropical vegetation, perhaps ferns, soft grasses, and a few small trees that cast soft shade during the day. This garden isn't just a decorative element, it serves as a natural filter for light and air. As the breeze enters through the side opening, it passes through the damp leaves and brings freshness into the main space. The light filtering through the leaves creates moving shadows on the floor, creating a constant sense of life. From the small garden behind the door, gentle steps lead us to the more open side of the house, a side yard that feels like a long breath of air between the stone and glass walls. Here, the air moves freely, swirling among the low trees and greenery that grow without pattern, as if nature were left to its own devices. From here, the view begins to penetrate to the rear of the house, an area completely open to the expansive garden beyond. Tall glass walls create a nearly imperceptible transition, blurring the boundaries between the house and the landscape. The interior and exterior spaces seem to borrow from each other, complementing each other without competing. When standing at the edge of the backyard, looking back at the house, everything seems to blend together: glass, stone, water, and greenery. Nothing dominates. All elements flow in the same rhythm, the rhythm of nature, the rhythm of life. Therein lies the true beauty of this house, simple, fresh, and serene. As you step inside, the freshness of the exterior remains. The smooth natural stone floor underfoot maintains a cool sensation, while the neutral walls reflect the soft light that pours in from all directions. There's no artificial light, only natural light that flows in, shifting slowly with the time of day. The living room opens completely to the garden. The furniture is simple yet warm, with calm earth tones, soft grays, light woods, and a few black accents. Every detail seems to have just the right amount of space, not too much, not too little. This is where the concept of breathing space truly shines through. To the right, the kitchen merges with the open-plan dining room. A long, solid wood table stands in the center, serving as the center of activity and conversation. From there, the view leads directly out to the green, airy backyard. It feels like cooking and eating in the middle of a garden, where the scent of wood and fresh air naturally blend. The ceilings of this house are high, but they don't make it feel empty. Instead, the space feels light, with air constantly moving and light changing with the day. Each volume, each opening, seems designed not to showcase architecture, but to provide space for a simple yet meaningful life. Every step inside the house brings the same sense of calm. There are no overly dramatic surprises, no spaces trying to draw attention to themselves. Everything feels balanced: light, materials, textures, and air. It's as if this house teaches us that beauty isn't about luxury, but about how spaces make us feel at peace within them.